Hey, Dan here. In today's video I want to show the quick process of a simple landscape, easy steps on how to paint landscape and on what you should focus more to make it easier for yourself. At least these are the main steps that helped me. I did not talk much about it before, instead just showing and explaining the process, but today I want to share some additional thoughts. So the first thing that you should pay attention to is underpainting, just using one tone. It can be blue or ochre, at least this is the tone that I use and many other artists too. Underpainting can help you to understand where shadow is and light, plus the main form and details of your objects makes it easier to work with when you apply final colors. Plus to this, with underpainting you can see the composition of your painting. Second step that I used was to divide all objects and forms in the painting into separate pieces and focus on them one by one. It might be hard to understand, but have you noticed when you look at the painting and it seems difficult to see how artist created it? That feeling comes because you are looking at the painting as a final result with all those details and forms together. I can recommend to divide it into pieces, for example take skies separately, then trees, stone, grass, etc. It's kinda the same in the portrait paintings when you focus on facial features. If we look at the current painting that I'm making now, it can be kinda beginning for beginners. The colors are very limited, there are no detailed forms, maybe only reflection might be complicated at first. So I can recommend to paint some of these landscapes from time to time and adding additional objects if you want to make it more complicated and interesting for the eye. More content I'm uploading on my Patreon page for those who are interested, link is below in description. Also in the future I will upload full tutorials videos there with explanations that you can see here. So if you like such videos let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to not miss new uploads. But for now let's see the final result of the painting.